We're down here in Cohasset, Mass at the hashtag East Coast Dream Home. We're renovating this beautiful shaker style house. A lot on the inside, mainly on the first floor, a lot to do with that garage, and a lot to do with the landscape. So you might ask why we're renovating a freshly renovated house. It's because there's no personality. It applies to the masses. It was a spec home that was freshly done, and I understand that model. And you're restrained on so many different things, and you can't go outside the box because it might diminish the buyer pool that you have. So our client came in, bought it, saw the vision, and brought us in to give it a personality. So we brought in Nikki from Acquire Boston to really kind of kick it up a few notches or a bunch. So let me break it down for you. First floor is getting the most touched, which is kitchen gets reconfigured, new backsplash, trying to keep what we can of the existing brand new kitchen. Family room gets a lot more reclaimed wood and a new fireplace. Mudroom gets reconfiguration between the powder room, which right now is in the middle of two kind of mudroom cubbies. We're gonna repurpose that to make it one large mudroom and a powder room off to the side. Upstairs, we're looking to reconfigure the boys' bathrooms that have individual en-suites to be a Jack and Jack. Why we're doing that is because most of the bathrooms in this house that's been freshly renovated are exactly the same. There's no personality. Same floor tile in every room and same shower tile everywhere. And the vanities are store-bought. This is probably from the restoration outlet. I could be wrong. And no personality in the countertops. So we're gonna basically take this out. This whole wall goes, okay? Break through to the other bathroom. Vanity will be over here on this wall, double vanity. Toilet gets switched over here, this location, and we end up closing it in its own room so you have privacy. We're gonna use the tub from the other room, and that'll be the tub, shower, whole configuration. Much larger, and I think more fun for the boys. And then the master closet gets reworked, so the husband has his own space. So we're gonna basically take part of this guest room, move the door over, and then corrupt some of that space to make a bigger walk-in closet for him. Outside is a different story. Common blue stone patio. We're gonna change this to have a blend of granite. There's already granite outcrops here. We wanna mix hardscape with softscape throughout here. Tennis court completely gets removed. Party barn's gonna be located in the far part of the property. There we get views of the water, which you can hear in the background. So a lot more tree work that's been done here because this place was not kept up. And then our goal is to chip off a lot of this granite you see and regrade this entire yard to basically capture more of this backyard. There is a design to have a pool and pool house over here. So you're gonna get pool and activities over here, party barn at the end, so you have a destination with, you know, activities inside and outside with a fire pit, and then in the middle will be nothing but grass, so you can play wiffle ball, soccer, etc., lacrosse. As you can hear, the boys have already started doing deconstruction. This powder room is located in the middle of two mudrooms. We're gonna relocate this guy over here and make this whole space right through here all mudroom. Way more usable to a family of four and a dog. Breeze there, which is beautiful, takes you to the garage. The program for the garage starts here. We're gonna condition this entire lower level so it's insulated, plaster finished, so they can have it for storage for all their holiday and cars. The cool stuff starts here at the stairs. So the second floor program of the garage is gonna be a bathroom on the right side, which we have to connect to the main house, which has its own challenges. And then this main area over here will be an auxiliary space or the home office, whichever they want, or both. This back wall gets dormered to a full shed dormer and probably 5 to 7 windows. This becomes a French door with a Juliet balcony. Juliet balcony is something very short, but you can go out there and have coffee. And in the front, instead of having 2 dormers here, there'll be a huge gambrel gable end here, give you more usable space and matches the main facade of the house. So keeping it within character, but also adding usable square footage. And this will be really decked out with reclaimed steel and plaster finishes. Follow along, guys. If you want more of these videos, let me know, and make sure you subscribe down below. Thanks, guys.